it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. I know, I'm not extra glammed up right now. I'm actually in the process about to film a makeup tutorial for you guys. So, I wanted to come on here and show you this wig before I took it off because I am going to be in something different. I came on here to tell you guys about this unit that I got from the Siyun company. It's on Amazon. I'm gonna make sure you guys got the link. But this is their 30-inch loose wave hair. And okay, I'm just gonna come to terms with this company. This company, everything that they advertise says 150. I think they're lying because it is definitely 200 plus density. This stuff is thick. And then this is in its natural state. Of course, you guys probably seen pictures on my IG or on my Snap or sometimes my TikTok of what it looked like when I curled it. So these are the photos, what it looked like when I curled it and when I had it on this past weekend. But this wig is everything. So let me go on and give y'all the details of this baddie. Like I said, she's 30 inches. You get 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, along with the adjustable straps. And she is definitely big head friendly. I'm filming. She's definitely big head friendly. She is extremely lightweight. Like, this is everything. So I have had her on for a good, I'm gonna say a good week now, and she is everything. I have slept in this unit. If you guys can tell, my wig's getting ready to pop off at any second. But I wanted to come over here and definitely make sure to give you guys the details on this unit. She's worth the buy. I know this is probably the only time that I will mention how much a wig is. Yes, she is like 300 something, but she was worth it. $300 for a 200 density, 30-inch loose wave hair. I'm sold. You got it. You can come take my money. I will buy another one of these because it was so worth it. I plucked mine. I did like a cute little side part with mine. I plucked it because I knew for a fact that she was going to be my cute, fun, and extra ultra wavy wig. Now, as you guys can tell, you see my hands are like flowing through this wig with no problems. Like, there's no issues. I don't even know what to say. It's just, this wig is just so doggone beautiful. Like, I'm probably gonna install this wig again. That's how beautiful this is. And just look at it. It's just like, you guys, she's so pretty. I'll probably order another one and then pluck her as a middle part. That's probably what's gonna end up happening. I love this unit so much. But yes, so I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this was informative. And if you guys been checking them out, definitely know that they are worth every penny that you spend with them. So definitely check them out. Definitely hit them up and let them know that the Tame One sent you. If this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,